And then if you like cook
If you
it,
like to buy the one you catch, $8
uh-huh.
per pound.
And then you gotta cook. If you gotta cook it,
Yeah, and if you ask, we fry the fish, $8.50 per fish.
That's too long. Okay, that's fine.
on the side.
Here. Parang ano, gamis.
Yeah, and then you have to make into a ball.
Only small.
Ball. And
Yeah.
then,
And you have to
wala. Wala nang palang laman.
It's too much. So hard.
Look at that. Hello. Yeah. Ang liit naman yan. Okay lang yan?
No, we go put it back.
Put it back?
Yeah. So we get a grab.
Wow!
Good job, Chelsea.
Kama, okay lang. Ganyan yung isa kanina, Warly. Yeah. Eh.
That's small.
How does it feel, Chelsea?
I don't know. I already know what it feels like.
Ni, bakit sayang?
Can you one more hug?
Ang liliit. You catch at the same time. Too small, yeah? Silang dalawa? Liliit naman yan.
They're twins. That's why they catch at the same time.
They're
Friends.
They look alike.
may nakuha siya.
It's a big one.
It's a big one.
Do I put it inside the bucket?
Yeah.
Can you give us?
Wala pa eh.
Mawala pa yan, Chelsea. Be careful.
Yeah, go hold it.
Put inside.
Oh,
Oh,
see?
wala.
Buti na lang.
Mawawala pa.
Buti na lang.
Laki nito, oh. Maliit na naman. Pumunta na dito sa gitna yung mga nakuha ng bata. Walang pinyan?
Wala.
Oh. Wali, bakit? Baka mahulog yan. Para kang nagtapon ng ano.
Para malinis.
Wali, tignan mo yung paglagay ni Chelsea. Can I see? Pwede naman, no?
Okay sa dulo.
Like a lollipop. Like a drumstick.
Chicken.
Yay! Fried chicken. Cook.
Just 3 big ones or 2 big ones?
3 big ones.
3 big ones. And you can take on the rest.
Just 2 big ones then.
I'll
Okay,
take
take
2 ate. 2 big ones.
2 cook. Apa.
Nice.
Ay! Tumalon pa! Ay!
Okay.
388.
Oh,
good.
24. 25. Not bad. Dami ah. Okay, pupunta naman sa...
Where?
Mga pwede na siya.
Both of them.
Ano? Wait.
Okay.
Fresh. Fish. Lima. Oh, hindi na meron. Sa